are you doing? Welcome to my channel. I am Miss Kenya and I want to make Nduma. I saw most of you requested the recipe in yesterday's video, and if you've not watched yesterday's video, kindly do so. I will leave the link on the description box below. And this is literally the next day, the next morning. I am making that Nduma for breakfast. And guys, let me tell you, this Nduma is delicious. And one thing I love about it, you can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner, but because it's Nduma and we are used to having Nduma in the morning, I mostly prepare it for breakfast and I love it. I love it. If you are not into the normal boring boiled Nduma, this recipe is for you, and let's get into cooking. Everything that I'm going to use, I have 2 cloves of garlic, I have this red capsicum and this green capsicum, and a red onion. I wish I had a yellow capsicum because I usually have it. I usually use it, but because I don't have it, we will use what we have. I am using 1 red onion and chop it finely. And that is it for the onion. And then for this one, I'm going to cut it in not so small bits. And remember, I don't have a lot of gouache, so I can't use a full hoho. I can't use the whole of it. And again, I am still using the green one, so half of this will be enough. And if you have a yellow one, you can use it. Actually, I always use it, but since I didn't get that in the market the other day, we use what we have. We use just what we have, and this is so simple to make. That is why I love it. I love this arrowroot capsicum mix because it's pretty easy to make. It's sort of a quick fix. Although I know boiling Nduma is the easier way out, but some people don't love boiled Nduma just the way it is, so we spice it just a little bit. That is my hoho, and actually I'm seeing as if this is more than enough because this is the only Nduma I have, remember, and I don't want to use too much of the hohos because I still want the taste of the Ndumas to remain. And I don't know where my garlic press is, so we chop the garlic. We chop it. I love the taste of garlic in almost everything. I think garlic is one of the things that I can't do without. I love the taste of garlic. Actually, there is a time I used to chew it just the way it was, but right now I can't stand the taste. But I love it. I love garlic. And I don't have a press, so that is enough. So let's get to the cooking. So in the pot I'm going to put just kidogo oil. That is enough. And still I'm going to put butter. Mine is salted, so remember that when putting salt, so that I don't put a lot of it. And I'm not going to use a lot of butter. I think this is enough because we still have the oil. So I will let that mix and get hot. My oil and butter are hot now, so I'm going to put in my arrowroots. Arrowroots and mix, and also I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. That is enough. I love this for breakfast. I love it. So I will let this rest for like about 5 minutes, and then I will be back. This is how my nduma is looking. After the 5 minutes, I'm going to add in the garlic. Mix that and add the onion. And I will wait until my onion has started becoming translucent. At least I'll wait for it to at least change the color, because right now it's so red. I want it to become whitish. At least translucent, just kidogo translucent, and then I will add in the capsicum. So I will cover it for like 2 minutes also, and wait for the onion to become translucent. This is what I meant by translucent. My onion is translucent now, so I'll add in the capsicum. And mix. I wish I had the yellow ones. The colors would be amazing. So I will let this rest for for like a minute or two so that my nduma can absorb the taste of the capsicums, and then I will be back. And my nduma is almost ready now. Remember I told you to cut it into very tiny bits, not so tiny but this size, so it's easy to cook. Remember nduma takes some time to cook, so the smaller the pieces, the faster it cooks. So let me leave this now for a minute or so that you can absorb the taste of the capsicum back. And this is the final stage of my nduma, and I have milk, like 3/4 of a cup or half a cup depending on the amount of your nduma, and I'll pour this in and I will let this boil until the milk is over, and yeah, I'll be back after the milk is over. I've put like half a cup because my nduma isn't a lot, and I didn't wait for my capsicum to overcook, so that is it. I'm going to leave it like that until the milk boils and is over. So this is how my nduma is looking. It's so ready now and it's so yummy. I have already tasted it. I love my nduma like this. I can have this every day, any day, and the good thing about this is that you can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, and you can have it for dinner. So yeah, so that is it. Let me know how it turns out for you if you decide to try out this recipe, and let me see you on my next video. Bye.